Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be giving you guys a butterfly lock tutorial. I did this sections a bit big because this hairstyle is only going to stay in my head for 2 weeks. But even though the parts were big, my hair still looked full, which is pretty good. Anyway, so I'll be using this hair pack. I don't know the name of it. I will be using this to wrap the hair, a crochet needle, and also edge booster. Now I'm going to split my twist hair because since my butterfly locks are short, I don't need it that long. If you want your butterfly locks to look a bit more clumpy, or if you already have long butterfly locks, I wouldn't recommend cutting it. Now what you'll do is put the needle through your hair with the needle already open. There's an opening on the butterfly lock, so you just put that opening on the needle and then you just pull your hair through. I made the mistake and I did not close the needle first, so the hair didn't go all the way through. So don't do that. Once you do that, you're gonna open the butterfly hole, whatever, and just put your hair through it, just like that. And then after you do that, I'm struggling a little bit, you're gonna pull your hair. I just want to say, you don't have nothing to worry about if you don't pull your hair too tight to knot up your hair. You don't need to make it tight because once you get to wrapping, the hair will already be tight. So when you just put your real hair through the crochet hole, just do it a little bit, not too tight, not too loose. Now I'm going to grab my twist hair and just, stretch it out a bit. Now look closely what I'm doing. I'm holding my real hair and all that stuff tight, and then I'm just gonna get to wrapping. And as you're wrapping, you're gonna open your hand a little bit so the wrap could go through, but remember you have to hold it tightly if you want a tight look. Then I usually just wrap it like 3-4 times. Okay, maybe like 5 or 6, but really it's all up to you. Alright, so after I'm done twisting the roots, I'm going to grab the other piece of curly hair, then boom, I'm getting into wrapping. So as you're wrapping, purposely keep your thumb in the way so pieces of hair can get attached to it and you could create that butterfly lock look. And how I knot it, I just keep twisting till I can't anymore. So this is the finishing look. Oh, I gave y'all a straight to the point 3-minute tutorial. So if y'all can help a girl out and subscribe, that would help so flipping much. I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.